welcome back to my channel, to Treasures by Tina. I'm Tina, and I hope this video finds you all very well and in good spirits. Today, I am going to give a review of something that I've been getting for the past couple months, but I wanted to try it just to make sure I liked it before I shared it with you guys. But it's called Keto Krate, and it's a monthly subscription of all kinds of keto snacks. So I thought any of us who are watching our carbs and sugar intake, this is a great way to enjoy some little treats that you can sample. And then if you want them, you can go on their website and you can order them if you want to. And this video is not sponsored. I'm just speaking to you because I really believe in the product and I really love it. And I'm still continuing, even though I have one of these every once in a while, the weight is still flying off. So it definitely works, and they're delicious. So to all of you who are new here, welcome. Again, I am Tina, and I try to do content on home, on lifestyle, on home decor, farmhouse, some DIYs. I'm going to be doing a travel vlog, a couple of them over the summer. As we travel, I'm going to make them into vlogs for you guys. And I try to do 2 to 3 videos per week. It's been a little bit rough lately. I've had to work, because I work full-time as well. So with it being kind of busier, I haven't been able to upload as often as I want to. But starting next week, Monday, Thursday, and either Saturday or Sunday. So probably Monday, Thursday, Saturday. There'll be 3 videos per week. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button if you like it, and the notification so that you can be notified whenever I do upload a video. And I also have an Instagram at treasuresbytina28, where I share daily content of a lot of home decor, recipes, shopping finds, just daily things in my life. I share, pictures of myself and my husband and my son, excuse me, and I would love for you to join my family over there as well. So let's jump right into my Keto Krate. And I have to put my glasses on, sorry, and I hope my ring light doesn't freak you guys out, but I can't read without them. So I kind of have to. That's the one downfall of 53. I kind of need glasses. So anyway, in your Keto Krate, excuse me, this is my April crate. And every month they send you a crate. And you get a deal on the first one. I think you get it for like $19 or something. And then it's $29, $29.99 a month. And they take it, right out of your account. You set up like automatic pay kind of thing, and you can cancel at any time. There's no fees to cancel. You can just send them an email or call them and just say cancel my subscription, and they just cancel it. And that's it. So it's really easy and quick, and it's no like gimmicks or anything like that. Excuse me. So in your Keto Krate, I can't even speak. You get this little Hello Spring, and then it has just some little information in here for you, some of the things that are in your Keto Krate. They tell you to visit their website. They have some coupons on there if you wanted to order other items. They have a members only, so you can go on the website if you're a member like I am, and you can purchase other things that you like. Then on the back, they give you like a couple little easy meal preps, and these ones are all with eggs. So you have like some hard-boiled eggs, some breakfast egg cups, some Scotch eggs. That sounds kind of interesting. And then they also give you like the little scanner, so you can put your phone up to it and you can do all kinds of things. So they also give you like what's in your Keto Krate. And this is, like I said, this is the April one. So we've done February and March, or January, February, and March. And so far, and I take them out of here and I keep them in our cabinet in a basket. And before this crate comes, the new crate comes, the old crate is, we've eaten everything. So we really have enjoyed it. Sometimes my husband steals the good stuff, but I told him you have to share. So can't always take all the good stuff. So let's jump in and I'll show you. I don't even know what's in here yet. And it came yesterday, but I told my husband, don't you dare touch anything in there. So, and they come really great packaged. It's very sturdy. It comes FedEx, so it doesn't go regular mail, it goes through FedEx. So first things first, so you have some garlic and herb beef sticks. So it's like a Slim Jim, but this one is garlic and herb. So everything has very little or no carbs and sugar. So that's great. So they gave us 2 of these. They gave us just an original one, and it's grass-fed. And it's 8 grams of protein, no sugar, 80 calories. And I'm not sure if it says how many carbs are in here. 1. So they each have 1 carb and no sugar. Tons of protein. So these are great. Then we have some little they're Parmesan crisps, bacon flavored. Well, that sounds kind of good. They're keto friendly. Total carbs is 1. No, 2. I'm sorry, it's 2. And that's what they look like. Sorry. They're Parmesan crisps. So it's probably like a potato chip, but just made with Parmesan cheese and bacon flavoring. So that'll be yummy. Then we have, ooh, I'm gonna like these ones. My husband doesn't like anything that's spicy, so I get all the spicy stuff. So these are Scuda, chili, maple, Django, chili. I think they're just like pumpkin seeds, but they're chili, maple, Django. But they look quite good, but this is what they are. So there's 14 grams of protein. And I think they're probably pretty hot, but you can see what they look like in there. They're just pumpkin seeds with this chili maple on them. And I bet you these are awesome. So, and these are a great snack. So it's 1/3 of a cup is the serving, and it's got 3 carbs, and it's got 14 grams of protein. So you can't go wrong there, and it's a great little snack. Sometimes you just want like something crunchy and spicy. These are gonna be good. I can already tell. And then we have, oh cool. We have barbecue snack chips. So I wonder what they're made out of. They're made out of some kind of protein. Dried vegetables. But they look kind of good. So barbecue chips or crisps. So they're barbecue ones. And they have total carb is 2. And there's 2 carbs in this whole bag. So you could eat the whole bag. And it's got vitamin D, it's got calcium, it's got iron, potassium, and it's only 170 calories. So this looks really good. I'm gonna enjoy these ones, I can tell you that right now. So that's gonna be good. Then my husband will probably end up taking these on me, but it's 3 net carbs per serving. And this is 1 serving, so it's 3 carbs. And they're snickerdoodle cookies. So there's some cookies in here. And as with anything that's made with keto, it's like almond flour and like stevia sugar and things like that. And then snickerdoodle. So keto cookies. And it's great that they give you like these sizes, because then if you don't like it, you know, you're not wasting a whole big, like if they sent you a lot. And then this way, when you go on and you order, like we've ordered several things that we really loved, and then you just get the bigger package. And if you're a member like I am, then you get money off. So it's definitely worth it if you're gonna want a keto box. And then these are almonds dusted with cocoa. So there's 2 net carbs. Guilt-free sweet treats. So these are almonds with cocoa on it. They have high fat, low carb, and it's just a little snack pack. I've had something like these before from them, and they are really, really good. Excuse me. Then these look wonderful. They're called Fat Snacks, and they're mini chocolate chip cookies. There's 1 net carb, and they're gluten. A lot of these are gluten-free too, just FYI. If you are going gluten, or you are gluten-free, you can eat these no problem. And it's almond flour, butter, coconut flour, and chocolate chips. And it's, let's see, 5 carbs? Excuse me, there's 2 servings in here, and there's 5 carbs per serving. So on a day where you have a little bit of extra carb that you want to have, you can have these, and they look yummy. And my husband's gonna have to share these with me because I want some of these too. And then we have, again, I'll be able to eat these. These are crispy cuts. They're pork rinds, but they're sweet chipotle. Actually, my husband will probably eat these too. He likes chipotle because that's not really all that spicy. And it has no carbs because it's pork rinds. And pork rinds, I don't know anybody who's doing the keto, but pork rinds are awesome because you can actually even go on Amazon and you can buy pork rinds like in breadcrumb form, or you could buy the bag of them and you just flatten them out. But you could use those in place of breadcrumbs for pretty much anything. And you just put it like Italian seasoning and things like that in there, and they taste just like breadcrumbs. And they do the same exact thing, but you're getting no carbs. But these ones look good. So they're sweet chipotle, so they're kind of sweet and tangy. And there's so many things you can do with pork rinds. So, but I'm gonna enjoy these. And then one more pack, one more thing. And sometimes, like, you can also, on their website, you can buy like baking mixes and things. So this is called Keto and Company. It's shortbread keto cookie mix. So it's gluten-free, no sugar added, diabetic friendly. And it has, so one cookie will have 2 carbs. And the only thing you have to add to it is butter, a large egg, and that's it. And shortbread cookies. And I would too add to them. I have the fat-free, keto-friendly like chocolate chips or things like that. So if you wanted to add a little something in there, you could. Or if you took like raspberries and like kind of smashed them up, you could put the raspberry on top of it and put it in the fridge so it hardens a little bit. So you have like raspberries on shortbread, which would also be really good. So they'll send you this too. So sometimes you'll get like baking mixes. I've gotten pudding. What else did I get? I think I got a pancake mix. And I know I've had like the turkey jerky and all kinds of other things. And I really have to say, that was the end of the box, by the way. I really have to say, if you're looking for a box filled with keto things, so you can eat everything in this box and you don't have to worry about like how many carbs does it have, or you know, if you don't feel like making a snack, because you can make keto cookies and things like that. But sometimes it's just so much easier to just have everything in one package and you add butter and egg and there you go. For me it is anyway, and I don't have to worry about keeping snacks like these, you know, in the house because they are keto friendly. So if my husband gets a sweet tooth or wants a cookie or a chocolate chip cookie, he could just go grab some of these, and I can too if I can get to them. That is if he doesn't eat them all on me. But anyway, so I just wanted to share that with you guys so that you knew that there is such a thing as a keto subscription, and it's called Keto Krate, and the crate is with a K. So it's keto and then K-R-A-T-E. So if you go on there, you can just read through everything. But like I said, you can set it up, and I know you get money off your first box, and then after that, they're $29. And then you can stop it anytime you want. So if you decide this isn't for you, you just call them or send an email or whatever you do, and you just have them stop it, and they just stop it. And there's no, I read all the reviews from other people, and some people did have to stop it, you know, for financial reasons or something, and they said they had no issues, they were wonderful. You know, every once in a while they'll send them an email if, you know, if you want to come back, we'll give you, you know, your first box for $15, or excuse me, they'll try to work with you so that you can get some keto goodness too. So that's the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me over there on Instagram as well, because you don't want to miss any of that good stuff. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I thank you so much for stopping by. And any questions or comments or anything like that, please leave them in the description box below, because I'd love to answer your questions about anything in my keto regimen, or anything with the keto snacks, or anything that you would like to talk about. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Have a great day.